Thank you for joining, and congratulations. You've just taken the first step to becoming a DayMaster. First, a few housekeeping items. DayMaster offers both a desktop and a mobile experience. The desktop experience is great for those in-depth planning sessions. Make sure that you add a favorite or bookmark for the DayMaster site on your desktop. Next, the mobile experience. Very good on the go. So make sure that you add a link to your home screen to make sure you can quickly access DayMaster when you need to. Now for the application. You can navigate throughout the site using the navigation menu. You will always start on the home screen. When you need to review your plans for different days, use the date menu at the top of the screen. And whenever you need to create anything in the DayMaster experience, use the creation menu. Now, if you ever get stuck or need some help, click a help icon in each individual section, and I'll be there to help you understand how to use that and what the purpose is. Now, feel free to explore, and whenever you're ready, I'll be here by clicking the tutorial option to guide you step by step through the rest of the DayMaster process. I'll see you soon.